guys ha. Isa lang lamang, 2 minutes. Qualify na tayo pero gusto pa nating manalo sa laro. Okay, lamang sila tatlo. Try pa nating manalo. Si Brownlee dyan pa rin.
Puts his team up by 3.
Ramos.
26 points.
Ay. Mukhang alanganin yung panalo natin ha. Nice! Suko na sila eh. Ayun! Ay! Yun! Isa na lang! Mananalo pa tayo! Perez talaga. Guys, sobrang nakaka-excited yung sa oil. Dami din mga nila.
CJ Perez.
Wala! Pa! Mananalo pa tayo!
Less than 2 minutes to go in this game. Ramos and Perez.
Ay, grabe yung panalo na to, guys. Foul pa.
Offensive foul.
Sayang.
Press conference perhaps, but winning here could give them a semi-final against a second-place team from the other group.
Kasi mahirap din kasi pareho eh. Brazil, saka yung Montenegro, ang hirap din.
We've seen how they deal with that style of play because they've dealt with it here. Would they want to try and beat Brazil? I think they'd rather try and beat Montenegro.
Yun nga eh, parehong mahirap eh. Choice yan yung ano kung gusto mo natin manalo eh. Nag-uubos na ng oras yung kalaban. Uubusin na lang. Pumasok pa. Ang tanong, gusto ba natin manalo? Gusto ba natin kalaban yung Brazil o Montenegro?
The Philippines got left, down by 3, 43 seconds left. Brownlee's been the one this whole tournament.
Oh, tulak!
The Tuzza giving him grief. Brownlee fight.
Yan! Isa na lang. Pwede pa. Pwede pa. Isa na lang. Isa na lang.
To the brink here, he's gone on the line. He gets the win, that'll be a real icing on the cake. There's enough of a differential to get the win here still.
Foul pa.
Tuzza loses it.
Free throw. Ang tanong,
The one thing Coach Jones
kasi kung makashoot sila ng dalawang free throw, ano yun, susubukan mo mag-tres, i-overtime mo pa.
He's guaranteed the semi-final spot. He doesn't need an overtime.
Oo eh, pag in-overtime mo pa, makatampakan ka pa nung kalaban. Kesa matalo na lang tayo. Depende kung ilan yung cash up nyo. Isa. Wala na, tatapusin na lang natin.
Georgia up by 2.
Patalo na lang tayo dito. Pumasok pa yung isa ha.
If he makes this, I would walk it off if I was him.
Oo eh. Kung ma-shoot na to, wala na.
Just rattles in.
Well, his alternative is try and get a quick 2 and a foul and a 2.
Nag-time out.
But he can't. Surely he's not going to go alone.
Nag-time out pa siya. Gusto ko pa mag-stress si Kim Cook. Kasi ang problema, kapag nag-overtime, kapag in-overtime mo yan, mapapagod yung mga players. Meron pa tayong laban ng semi-finals at meron pang finals na manalo doon. So you need to conserve energy eh. So, hindi ko sure kung ano sasabihin ni Coach Kim Cook sa time out, ba't pa siya nag-time out? Kung anong plano niya? O subukan nilang mag-score pero 2 points lang. Ano yung gagawin nila? Kukuluhan din ako. So ito yung pictura dito sa ano? Sa bike. Sila, mga fans natin dyan ng Gilas. Thank you very much sa Baygon. Ito yung mga masasayang fans natin. Yan sila. Ito yung mga Gilas fans natin. Siyempre gusto nila panalo pero either way, qualify tayo. O ito. Tayo kung gagawin. Sabi ko anong gagawin. Sabi ko anong gagawin ng Pilipinas dito. Kaya ano ba? Ba't yan time out pa si Coach Tim Cook? Anong gagawin nila? Gusto na nila yung oras?
I hope he's going to come down the floor and just walk it off.
lang para isa lang lamang.
To me, they're walking it off. Well, put it this way, Brownlee's not in the game, they're walking it off.
Got it.
2 points! 2 points! Para isa lang lamang. 2 points!
To Paris.
They're walking it off.
2 points! 2 points! 2 points! Ayun, nag-foul.
Done the thing to win the game.
So nag-foul pa sila with 2 seconds left.
2.8 seconds left.
Ewan ko ano nila, may penalty. O para isa lang yung lamang. Para isa lang yung lamang. Diba? Mas maganda tignan. So,
Shots to top the base.
ito yung natalo na pero nanalo pa. Kaya, tignan nyo naman, no? Yoy! Isa lang talo natin, 1 point lang. Yun. Ito yung talo na pero magsa-celebrate tayo.
Oh, he missed it. He tried to do it and missed it.
Yeah! Yeah! Yun! Saya ni Coach Tim Kono. Ang sayo.
But it's a win for Team Georgia. Also,
Yeah! Tayo, baby! Qualify! Yun! Sabi! Ang galing how they were able to hold off. Ang klase talaga yung Gilas. Diba? Lahat ng team tayo nila makakasama yan. Napakahusay. Kaya so qualify tayo. Ang makakalaban natin ay Brazil. Okay, so laban tayo, qualify tayo.